Today, I'm going to introduce you to an incredible new AI model, EXAONE 4, by LGAI Research. This model is powerful enough to challenge even OpenAI and Google, so stay tuned till the end. EXAONE 4 is a next-gen large language model that blends the smooth usability of EXAONE 3 with the powerful reasoning capabilities of EXAONE Deep. It supports both reasoning and non-reasoning modes, letting you switch based on your task. From casual chat to solving complex mathematical problems. What makes it special? EXAONE 4 introduces two powerful upgrades. Hybrid attention, a blend of sliding window and global full attention, 3:1 ratio, for better long context understanding. QK reorder norm, a new normalization system with RMS right after Q and K projections that boost downstream performance.
How good is it? Let's talk about performance. How well does EXAONE 4.0 actually do in real-world tasks? Let's start with the 32B version, which is the powerhouse in the lineup. In reasoning mode, it crushed challenging benchmarks like MMLU Redux with a score of 92.3%, which tests general world knowledge. In math, it scored 85.3% on the AIME 2025 exam, a tough one, even for humans. For coding, it got over 72% on Live Code Bench, showing it's pretty handy for developers. And when it comes to following instructions, a solid 83.7%, which means it really understands what you're asking. Plus, it's multilingual, doing great in Spanish and Korean too. For example, it scored 85.6% on Spanish benchmarks and over 72% in Korean tasks. Now, what if you don't need reasoning mode? Even in non-reasoning mode, the 32B model still performs exceptionally well, 89.8% in world knowledge tests, around 43% in live coding tasks, and even better instruction following with 84.8%. Now let's talk about the smaller model, the 1.2B version, which is optimized for on-device use. It's compact, but still powerful. The 32B mode are just challenging perfect, 81.6%. In reasoning mode, it scored 71.5% in general knowledge, 45.2% in math, AIME 2025, and 67.8% in instruction following. Not bad for a model you can run locally. In non-reasoning mode, it still gets 66.9% in general knowledge, almost 70% in Korean tasks, and over 71% in Spanish math tests like MA 500. And yes, EXAONE has passed real professional certification exams in medicine, dentistry, and law. That means this model isn't just a chatbot. It's capable of handling high-stakes, real-world information with GPT-4 level accuracy in reasoning, coding, and multilingual tasks. You can start using EXAONE 4 right now, completely free, on Hugging Face. Just visit huggingface.co/LGAI EXAONE. You can test prompts, explore both modes, or integrate the model using the Transformers library or API. If you want to run it offline, EXAONE 4.0 is available in quantized formats like GGUF, GPTQ, and AWQ, and you can deploy it using llama.cpp or TensorRT LLM. Just clone the repo, download the weights, and you're ready to go. For best performance, use temperature less than 0.6 in non-reasoning mode. Use temperature equals 0.6 and top P equals 0.95 in reasoning mode. Add presence powergain equals 1.5 if responses feel repetitive. So what do you think? Can EXAONE 4.0 beat GPT-4 or Gemini? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're passionate about AI tools and advanced LLMs, subscribe to Just AI Space, smash that like button, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next breakthrough.